10 passive income streams to liberate you from 9 to 5. In today's fast-paced world, the traditional 9 to 5 job is often not enough to achieve financial freedom. That's where passive income comes into play. It's the key to unlocking a lifestyle where your money works for you, providing a steady stream of income without the grind of a day-to-day job. Here are 10 passive income streams that can set you on the path to liberation. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks can be a great way to earn regular passive income. These stocks pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders. The trick is to choose stocks wisely, focusing on companies with a strong history of dividend growth. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and maximize potential returns. 2. Rental properties. Real estate is a time-tested way to earn passive income. Owning rental properties can provide a consistent income stream. However, it's crucial to consider factors like location, property condition, and the local real estate market. If direct management seems daunting, consider hiring a property manager. 3. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, creating an online course can be highly lucrative. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to sell your knowledge. The key is to identify a niche with high demand and present your content engagingly. 4. Write an ebook. Digital publishing has made it easier than ever to write and publish an ebook. Whether it's fiction or a how-to guide in your field of expertise, ebooks can provide a continuous source of income. Platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing can help you reach a wide audience. 5. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services, you can earn commissions through affiliate marketing. This works well if you have a blog, a strong social media presence, or a website. Success in affiliate marketing comes from promoting products that are relevant and useful to your audience. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals in exchange for interest payments. It's a way to earn income on your cash with a higher return than a traditional savings account, though it comes with its own set of risks. 7. Create a blog or YouTube channel. If you're passionate about a topic, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. It requires time and effort to build an audience, but it can be a significant and satisfying income source. 8. Develop an app. In our digital world, a successful app can be a major passive income source. If you have a unique idea or can solve a common problem with an app, you could see substantial returns. You don't always need technical skills, partnering with a developer is an option. 9. Invest in REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a way to invest in real estate without buying property. They're companies that own or finance income producing real estate across a range of property sectors. You can earn dividends from REITs, making them a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. 10. Create a print-on-demand store. With platforms like Shopify and Printful, you can start a print-on-demand business. Design t-shirts, mugs, and other products, and these companies handle the rest. It's a creative way to earn money with minimal investment in inventory. Conclusion. Each of these passive income streams offers a pathway to greater financial freedom and a break from the 9-to-5 routine. Start small, perhaps with 1 or 2 avenues, and as you grow more comfortable, explore additional streams. The key is to diversify your income sources, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. Call to action. Now is the time to step into the world of passive income. Choose 1 or 2 methods that resonate with you and start your journey today. Remember, the path to financial freedom begins with a single step. Happy earning!